This is a Comfortmaker air conditioner. It's from 2009. It's a free ton. Got a Copeland scroll compressor. There's the disconnect box. It's a pretty good unit. I don't think it has an energy guide. No, it's probably 13 SEER. I filmed one like this before. It was a 13 SEER. There's another one in there. I can't get to. Right, this is at the same place. More Comfortmakers. I believe this place is closed because it's Sunday. And they're all the same size. So I'd imagine they're all free tons from 2009. Let's see. Let me get this is the one that I can get to the edge the easiest. And it is, yep, 2009 free ton. So yep, these are all free tons from 2009. Anyways.